Do you want to create a Facebook page? You can make a business page on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To create a Facebook business page, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. You can also use your computer browser. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the three horizontal lines menu. A new screen appears, scroll down and tap on Pages. Here, you will see all the Facebook business pages that you manage. Now, tap on the plus Create button at the top to start making a new page. You will see a screen with two options, Profile or Page. Choose Public Page from here and tap Next. In the new screen, enter your page name in the field box. This should be the name of your brand, business, or profile. Once you type your page name, tap the Next button. After that, choose a relevant category for your page like personal blog, local business, or musician. You can add up to 3 relevant categories for your page. Once added, tap on the Create button. Now, a new screen may appear. Select an option that is relevant to your page and tap the Continue button. After that, you can write a short bio or description to let people know what your page is about. You can also add your website, email address, phone number, and business location if needed. Now, tap on the Next button. Here, you'll be asked to upload a profile picture and cover photo. This helps people recognize your page. To upload a profile picture, tap on the camera icon below the profile icon and select a logo or image for the profile. To upload a cover photo, tap on the camera icon below the cover and select one picture from the device gallery. Once uploaded, tap the Next button. Again, tap the Next button. Lastly, tap on the Done button. Now, your Facebook business page is successfully created. You can start inviting friends, post updates, and manage your page settings anytime from the Pages section.